Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a THREDUP haul with you guys. I recently collaborated with them on my Instagram, so I got a ton of stuff and I thought I would go ahead and do a little haul for you guys so you can see everything that I picked out. I tried to pick out mainly things that would work for spring and summer, so I think it's pretty relevant for the season. If you guys don't know what THREDUP is, it's basically a website where you can find a lot of clothes that have been thrifted. So some of them have been worn before, some of them are new with tags, but you can get them at a discounted price, so a lot less than they would have been if you actually had bought them. So it's a pretty good way to get some trendy clothing without breaking your bank. So I got these 3 boxes from THREDUP. They're like humongous. These were sent to me in separate orders based on, I think, where the clothing was being kept, like which of their warehouses was being kept. So I waited until I got all 3 of them so I could do this video for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the tiny box. It's been kind of a long time now since I ordered these, so I don't even remember what it is that I got. Oh, okay, so I got these little sandals from Rocket Dog. I like that these are kind of like that Spanish style, I think these are, with all of like the straps in the front. I think these are so cute for the summertime, and I needed some new sandals, so I'm super excited about these. Okay, so that's all that was in the first box. I'm gonna go ahead and open the next little box. Oh my gosh, I don't even remember getting this. Okay, so actually I do remember this one. So this is a long, whoa, I think this is a wrap dress. So you guys can't really tell, but this is basically like a mid-length striped dress with cami straps on the top, and it's a wrap dress, so you tie it around in the back. So I'll definitely try this on for you guys so that you can see what it looks like. It's kind of hard to show on camera. So the next I have these pair of flare pants from Nasty Gal. These are super cute. I like the colors. It's like red, brown, blue, and white. So I like the color scheme, and I like that these are flared. I actually don't own any flared pants, so these are going to be like one of the first flare pants that I own. But I think these are going to look like really, really cute for like fun Instagram photos and stuff like that. And it's going to be really cute for the summer. I think it could even transition into fall. So this is one of those pieces that you can wear during multiple seasons. Okay, so then I have another pair of shoes in this box. Oh yeah, I'm excited about these. So these have been worn before. So these are Franco Sardo sandals. They have a little bit of a heel on them, which I think is going to be really cute for dresses. It's really strappy, super cute. Franco Sardo is supposed to have like really, really great shoes, I've heard, so I'm excited about these sandals for summer. Okay, so now we are on to the big box. Oh, there's a bunch of cute stuff in here I'm super excited about. Okay, so the first thing is this little strappy dress. Not strappy, stripy. So it's got 2 different stripe patterns. The top is going one direction horizontally, and then the bottom is vertical. So I like that fun mix. I think this is going to look really, really cute for a little summer dress. I like the material. Material is super like soft and stretchy, so I think this is going to be really cute. This is an Ann Taylor loft dress. Next I have this really fun red romper. My sister and I have been really into the color red lately. So this romper is from the brand Pins and Needles. I love like the frilliness in the front. I I think that frills are just like so girly. Love the color, romper, super cute. I think this would look super amazing with the brown Franco Sardo sandals. Super, super cute. Just like a fun, girly romper. What I like about this is that you can dress it up or down. So this is going to be a really, really fun piece. Next, I got these pants. So these are like a green blue plaid pattern, linen pants. I love the pattern on them, and I've been really, really into like statement pants lately. So when I saw these, I was like, I have to have these. So here's what the back looks like. So hopefully these fit me. All of these items, I like checked the measurements to make sure that they would fit me, but I'm not 100%. So if they don't fit me, the nice thing about THREDUP is that if the items don't fit you, you have like 15 days to return them in exchange for something else on THREDUP. So that's really, really nice because it's hard for me to find things that are like exact, that fit perfectly, especially when you're shopping online. So that's super nice. Anyway, these are really cute, and I like that you can also transition these into like fall and winter too. So these pants are by Uniqlo. Never heard of that brand before. Okay, so I got another little summer dress. Oh my gosh. I think this one might be a little too short. I'll have to try it on for you guys. Anyway, it's just like a gingham pattern strappy little dress for summer. So I think that's really cute. I love gingham. So I'm hoping that this fits me, we'll see. So this dress is from the brand Cooperative. So next I got this really fun pattern dress. This is from Lulu's. So it's a really cute pattern dress. It's got like these little ties for the straps. Pretty like empire type waist, and I just think this is a really fun pattern. It's hard for me to pick patterns sometimes because some of them are just like a little too out there, but I really liked the color scheme of this one, and I think this is going to be like really pretty for going to like the beach or something like that. I'm actually going on a trip to Florida soon, so I might take this one with me because I think it's gonna be really pretty. Just a long maxi dress with a fun pattern on it. So I also got another pair of fun pants. Now that I look at these might be a little too big for me. So I'll try them on and see. But anyway, they're just like a linen pair of pants. Got like a Tiffany blue, brown, and white striped pattern. I think these would be really fun for the summertime with like a fun top or something. So we'll see. Not sure about these. I'll have to try them on and see what I think. So I actually got like a ton of shoes in this order, which I'm excited about. So these are by the brand Diva. They're suede black ankle boots. I love that they have like a chunkier heel on them. I'm being honest with you guys, I'm terrible at walking in heels, but I feel a lot more sturdy when I have like a nice thick heel like this. So I'm super excited about these. I've had like the same pair of black ankle boots from Forever 21 for like so long now, so I really need a new pair of black ankle boots. So I'm sure I'm gonna be wearing these a ton. So I also got these black, I think espadrilles. I think that's what this type of shoe is called. So they're not like huge wedges, but they do have a little bit of a wedge on them. So I think these are gonna be super cute for the summertime. They're by the brand FSNY. FSNY. Never heard of it, but I think these are really cute for summer, so I'm super excited about these. And then I'm super excited about these guys. So I've been wanting like a cute pair of slip-on mule type shoes for a while now. So these are like a really pretty plummy color. I love this twist in the front, super pretty pointed toes. So these are going to be super cute for spring, for summer, and I think even like fall. So these are awesome. I'm super excited about these. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. Once again, everything was from THREDUP. I actually was given $200 store credit to buy everything, so that's actually like an amazing deal because I'm pretty sure I got like over 15 things and it only added up to like $200. So you can definitely find like a ton of awesome things on there and save a lot of money. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!